Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Cameron. Sorry for the extended absence. How have you been? Have you missed me? Today we are back with my trusty old air fryer here, and we're going to be doing something new. Haven't done this before. I'm doing it on the fly. We're going to make some jalapeno poppers and we're going to cook them in the air fryer, and I reckon they'll take 5 minutes. All right, so as I said before, jalapeno poppers. First thing we're going to need, jalapenos. Name says it itself. Some shallots, some garlic, chives. I've got some prosciutto. I've got a 3-cheese mixture here. I have some cream cheese and bacon, which is in the fridge. First things first, we're going to make the filling for these. And to do that, we're going to put half a block of cream cheese into our bowl here. Okay. I'm rusty. We can add half a cup of our 3-cheese blend. Next up, we've got some chives. I'm just slicing these really thinly. I've got about 8 to 10 of these. Throw the ends away into the bowl. Garlic. So I have 1 clove of garlic. This is quite a large piece of garlic, so I'm probably going to use half of this. And into the mixture. Next up, we've got a shallot. So if you don't have shallots, you can just use a red onion. They probably got a closer flavour to it. I wouldn't use a brown onion. All right, so now I'm going to show you a trick about cutting shallots or onions of any sort. Now, if you want to get a really fine dice with any of that, all to do is we get it together. Got the core side at the front, and we just slice it thinly along this way. We slice it long ways like this, then hold it together from the sides and chop down. So that is the trick to getting a nice fine dice. So you get a nice, even, consistent diced product because you've cut the same way down, the same way across. All right, last thing we need in here is just a little bit of bacon. So I'm just going to use 1 rasher of bacon here. Always take the rind off if you're using rind-on bacon, just simply because it's chewy and you don't want that. I'm going to dice this very finely. Right, so bacon's in the bowl. Now we're just going to season this, add some Worcestershire sauce, mix it all together and get ready to stuff the jalapenos. All right, so we've got this here. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We are going to add some salt, some pepper, and now we're going to mix this and get ready to stuff them. So I'm just going to combine all this together. All right, so now that I've combined all this together, I am just going to go wash my hands and spoon this into the jalapenos. All right, so we're back. We've got our mixture, we've got our jalapenos, we've got our prosciutto. What we're going to do is we're going to take the jalapenos, cut them in half down the middle. We're going to get our spoon and we're going to scoop out all the seeds. The majority of the heat comes from the seeds in these things. So if you're not a fan, scoop them out. If you like things hot, leave them in. Jalapenos are a great pepper. They're nice, they're sweet, they're delicious. All right, so we've scooped all the seeds out. We've got our mixture here. We're gonna take this, we're gonna spoon it in. We're gonna push it all the way in so there's no holes and no gaps in it. We're gonna take one slice here of our prosciutto. We're gonna wrap it, and we're just gonna wrap this all the way around, and like that. So we're gonna fill all of these, wrap them all, and get them ready to put in the fryer. All right, so we've got our jalapenos wrapped here. We're gonna chuck them in the air fryer. We're gonna get going. Just gonna spray the base here so they don't stick. In they go. This is a really cool, entertaining meal if you're having people over, something you can do at home, something that's cool, easy, quick, fun. Into the air fryer. I haven't used this since last time, so I've got to figure out how to turn it on. I'm going to go at 180 degrees and just press start. Done. So we're going to give that 5 minutes. I'm going to put a timer on my phone. We're going to come back. We're going to have a look. All right, we are back. We are 4.5 minutes in, just waiting for this to click over to 5 minutes. As soon as that is 5, we'll pull it out and see how they're going. I've never done this before, so yeah. Smells good. I can smell it. And here we go. That is better than I planned or expected. How cool is that? So, ooh, smells delicious. Very hot. Still hot. I'm gonna get tongs. Get out. All right, so we're going to finish it off. A little bit of cracked pepper. A little bit of salt. How cool is that? 5 minutes in an air fryer. Awesome dish if you're having people over, entertaining, got a party. Easy way to impress them. Take a look at that. They've cooled down a little bit now. I'm going to try them. Hopefully don't burn my tongue. That is awesome. That is better than I expected. Yeah. 5 minutes. It's awesome. All right, guys, as usual, if you like this video, please like it, please share it, and please subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you like and what you want to see.